Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and a fully furnished elegant home near Clark is our featured property for today. Located in a secure subdivision, a 50-minute drive to Clark International Airport and all major business establishment. Before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is Rosanna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. This property has a 218 square meters floor area sitting on 156 square meters lot area. And as you can see, very modern yung design natin, very elegant. Ang colors natin, mas nangingibabaw ang black, lalo na ang ating automated gate. So buksan natin yan. It's a roll up, so this is an automated gate. And this side, yung ating entrance gate, smart lock po yan. You have a simple landscaping. Meron pang mga ilalagay na plants dyan. You have a plant box here with light. Meron kang fence na, I think this is wood. And then there's, parang may konti kang view of what's the inside. Kasi meron ka pang pocket garden doon. Okay, pasok tayo. And this is smart lock. Fingerprint, card, password. And there. Pagpasok mo, ang ganda ng view. Diba? You have an elevated porch with step lights. Pag akyat mo, this is your pocket garden. Ito yung view kanina. And napaka modern ng dating ng yung door. With, you have a smoke glass. Hindi lang siya plain door na solid door. This is a solid door with a smoke glass for accent. Also dito, and meron ka ring, what do you call this? You have a canopy, and very cute ang yung pocket garden. You have lights also, and you can still add more plants dyan. Pagbaba mo, to my right, you can see another plant box, which is not just an accent pagpasok mo, but also this is an accent, or pagpasok mo sa entrance gate, but also this is an accent pagpasok mo sa loob. Isa yun sa mga highlight nitong ating property. Kanina, binuksan natin yung ating automated gate. This can fit. 2-car carport. At sa mga may sedan po or sports car, don't worry kasi yung slope natin hindi po tatama. Automated gate, so fully covered of course. Hanggang na rin ang ilaw natin. Tapos meron tayong uplighting dito. Uplighting para, di ba? It's a contrast dun sa taas para merong konting accent yung ilaw natin. Yung ating floor, we have tiles, textured tiles, and plain painted wall. We have light color and you have your dark color. You have a door here, and this door goes to your dirty kitchen, your maid's quarter, and then going to your pool and your guest room. All right? This property is fully furnished, so expect po ng a very pretty inside ng ating property. Kaya, pasok na tayo! At, pagpasok mo, ito ang iyong bubulaga sa iyo, ang iyong very cozy na living area. At kung mapapansin nyo doon sa taas natin, meron tayong accent. Of course, you have your chandelier. Though na-mention po nila, seller, that parang papalitan yung design. Very pretty na siya, pero papalitan pa po yung design. Isa pa sa mga accent ay, bukod sa open to below, itong ating high ceiling pa, yung ating wall, you have wood accent, design. Meron kang, is this? Okay. So it's like a wallpaper. Tapos meron kang tiles din dito. Isa pa yung sa ceiling natin, you have a wide window. Kung mapapansin nyo, may mga, yung accent sa labas, yung bilog-bilog. That would enable your natural light. So kung halimbawa during daytime, hindi ka na magsisindi ng ilaw, pwede mong itaas yan at pwede mo rin naman siyang ibaba. Custom-made sofa, perfect size for your living area. The TV is included. You have your hanging drawer or hanging shelf. Ang design niya, meron tayong fluted panels for accent para i-mount mo dito yung iyong TV. And pag nandito ka, meron ka ng view dun sa taas. Parang may view deck dun kasi nandun yung mga rooms natin. So, alam mo yung there are people na gusto nila, nakikita nila everything sa bahay. Kung nasan ka nakatayo, this is it. So, kita mo talaga. Kita mo yung kitchen, kita mo yung dining, kita mo yung mga rooms. So, yun, mas panatag para sa mga ibang buyers natin yan. That is included, of course. You have a space here pa. Diba? Hindi siya masikip. You can move freely. Meron ka mga shelves dito. You have drawers as well. Ayan. And what I like about pa dito, yung mga socket niya, I'll show you later doon. Pagpunta natin doon. This is your, nakita nyo ba yung space from your living area going to your dining area? Ang luwang pa. Pwede mong i-extend yung chair or your couch. Pwede mo rin i-extend ang iyong dining table. This is a 6-seater dining set. Very cute na pendant light or chandelier. You have an accent wall here, a console. Meron kang, I think this is wine rack. Pwede mong lagyan ng wine or pwede kang maglagay ng TV dito. If some kasi they don't like to put TV sa living area. So pwede kang maglagay ng TV dito. Mag-a-add pa sila dito. Baka may nakapansin. Hindi pa lang nailalagay. Meron kang mga cabinets din naman dito. Ang ganda kasi black and white. Yung contrast ng colors, nag-complement yung bawat isa. So, mas naha-highlight per portion. Cabinet. May shelves ka dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng wine. Pwede ka maglagay ng frames. Anything that you want. So, it's symmetrical. Pareho sila. Okay. Also, in your dining area, you have a view of your pool area. Meron tayong dipping pool. Kapag yan naka-on yung mga lights and then the pool, ang ganda. Ang gandang tignan kasi para ka merong wide TV dito. Going to your kitchen, can you see the space here? Diba? Hindi pinilit yung mga pwesto, hindi pinilit yung mga furniture natin. You have an island with a range hood and induction cooker. Of course, included yan. Dito may mga drawers ka rin. Some would put a stool here. Pwede naman, but since may mga drawers tayo, mas magandang nakikita sila. Your preparation area here and here. Spacious. Tignan niyo yung mga socket. Ito yung minention ko, di ba? May on and off na sila. Hindi lang sila yung basta-basta socket lang na sasaksakan. Safety din. Kasi may on and off. White quartz countertop. Double bowl stainless steel sink. And ang iyong mga drawers. Ito, may pantry ka rin dito. Your pantry. Put mga wine mo. And then, there. So nice! Pagpunta mo dito, drawers, cabinets, may space ka, may mga shelves ka pa rin. Of course, the side-by-side refrigerator, this is also included. And centralized water heating system din. So yung mga faucet natin sa buong property, hot and cold na po silang lahat. Dito sa ating pool area, labas tayo, habang maliwanag pa kasi baka dumilim na. This is your pool area. I love yung decking, kung mapapansin nyo, kasi, alam mo pag nasa loob, parang maliit yung pool. Pero pag nasa labas ka pala, malaki siya. Malaki yung ating dipping pool, your plunge pool, malaki siya. And then, you have your decking. para, like kung after mo mag-swimming, hindi mag-iipon ng tubig, pababa ang tubig para hindi madulas ang mga bata, hindi tayo madulas after mag-swimming. And you also have this very pretty griller, kasama po yan. And kung mapapansin nyo, ito yung sa ating pool. Ang linis lang tignan kasi, di ba, meron siyang sarili niyang kwarto ba? No. So nice. Ang luwang ng pool, ang ganda. Hindi ko masyadong nakita kasi kanina. Maglalagay pa po ng fountain doon. So kung may napapansin kayo na butas dyan, ilalagyan pa yan ng design. Okay? Yung decking natin, diretso. Going to you have a guest room here. Pero bago tayo pumasok sa guest room, meron tayong, uy, ang cute naman itong sink. So you have a, pakita lang natin sa montage. Meron tayong full bathroom here. Of course, your shower area dahil may pool tayo. Toilet, and then you have your sink. Next naman dito, you also have your maid's room. This is your maid's room. Pagpasok mo sa maid's room, meron ka ng, ay, ang comfy naman ng bed na ito. Meron ka ng bed, meron ka ring side drawer. And the bed is actually, I think this is double. Double size to. Or single, pero kasya yung dalawa. So, spacious din yung ating maid's room. Sa aking left, nandito ang iyong guest room. Yes, your guest room is located malapit sa iyong pool area. Pagpasok mo, makikita mo ang iyong bed. This is a full bed or a twin bed. Meron kang headboard. Ang cute ng lamp. Look at the lamp. Para siyang moon na hinati sa gitna. And yung socket mo, both sides, meron ka. You have a built-in cabinet. And you have your own ensuite toilet and bath. Your ensuite toilet and bath, vanity mirror, have your sink, your shower area. Ang ganda ng shower natin, metal gun color. Rain shower, your hand shower, your spray, and dahil centralized water heating system po tayo, so hot and cold na po yung ating shower. Paglabas natin, dito, ito yung door kanina doon sa may parking. This is your laundry area na ang luwang pa. This can also be your drying space or drying area. Dito yung laundry area mo. This is your dirty kitchen. May cabinets ka, double bowl stainless steel sink. Cabinets. This door goes to your, ayun yung garage natin. Sara natin po siya. So, there you go. Gusto niyo bang lumabas doon? Hindi na, umatras na sila. Okay, pasok na tayo para makita na natin yung mga ibang rooms pa natin sa ating second floor. Okay, pasok na tayo. Ang ganda, no? Parang magazine. Parang hotel yung finishing niya. Ang luwang, lakad dito. Bago tayo umakyat, meron kang, you have a half bath na maluwang. Kung mapapansin nyo yung sink natin, sobrang luwang. Sobrang laki niya. Look at that. You have your sink, you have your toilet. Hindi po ito smart toilet, pero it looks nice, no? Mukha talaga siyang smart toilet. So this is your half or your powder room, your half bath, bago ka umakyat ng iyong second floor. Sa second floor natin, makikita nyo yung stairs natin, ang ganda. Yung mga lights po natin dyan, sensor po yung mga yan. Hindi pa lang na-connect, but i-connect po nila yan, I think tomorrow yata. So pag after mo umakyat, so mamamatay silang mag-isa. Efficient din siya for your electricity. Akyat na tayo at tingnan natin ating second floor. And this is your landing. Kung naaalala niyo yung pagpasok niyo kanina sa yung entrance gate, yung plant box doon, that is the view of your landing. So, kayo mag-alala dahil makapal po yung glass na yan. It's safe. At kung mapapansin nyo rin yung inyong stairwell, maluwang siya. So, two-way siya. Pwede kayong magsabay na umakyat at bumaba. Hindi masikip. Sabi ko, hindi siya malaking-malaki. Like, it's not massive, pero spacious yung property natin. Meaning, hindi siya mahirap i-maintain, madaling linisan, kahit na 2 floor siya. Kasi, wala masyadong sukal. Yung layout niya, very clean. Let's go. This is your first bedroom sa iyong second floor. Pagpasok natin, alright. Some subscribers are asking for this kind of room, yung may dalawang bed. No, kasi meron yung mga dalawang kids nila, babae or lalaki, kaya gusto nila same sila ng room pero different beds. So this is perfect. 2 single bed, headboard. You have a space for your TV. And meron siyang built-in cabinet doon. You also have your own, or you also have an ensuite. So, dito muna tayo. So, yung built-in cabinet. Built-in cabinet, and then, this is your ensuite toilet and bath. Undermount sink. You have your vanity mirror. Maluwang. Even enclosed siya. Spacious pa rin. Sara natin. Your shower set, stainless steel shower set. Again, hot and cold. Floor to ceiling tiles. Ang ganda ng color. Very cozy. I was trying to figure out kanino. So, they're tiles but wood design. Ang ganda talaga ng planks ng mga wood planks for bedroom. Pag bedroom na, nag-change tayo ng tiles. Mas cozy or mas masarap tignan. Next, this is your next bedroom. Very pretty. You have this space for if you want a vanity space or a study area. This is perfect. May mga drawers ka. Ang luwang. You can move freely. Your TV console, your bed. This is a single bed din to. Alam mo, ang lalaki ng size ng bed nila. It's single bed pero maluwang siya. And then 10 inches siya, guys. I think it's 10 inches or 8 inches. Mapapansin nyo. So, these are really nice beds. You have your headboard. Symmetric din yung iyong side drawers. Ang cute ng handle niya. Ensuite toilet and bath. Same design nung kabila. Meron kang ilaw. You have your vanity mirror. Enclosed shower set. Enclosed shower area, your stainless steel shower set. So, pag sinara natin yan, maya-maya mamamatay ng ilaw. You have built-in cabinet. Meron ka rin doon sa itaas. Okay, let's go. Doon na tayo sa ating master bedroom. So, yung master bedroom natin, pag akyat mo, dito na siya diretso. Whoa! This is your master bedroom. Sabi ko nga kanina, this is a king-size bed, pero parang sabi ko, California king bed ba to? Kasi ang laki niya for a king-size bed dito sa Pinas. Sobrang laki ng bed. Kasya nga 4 eh. Kasya 4 dito sa bed na to. Ganon siya kalaki talaga. Your headboard, may mga socket ka rin dyan. You have an accent wall with mirrors. Ganda. You have your hanging side lamp. Meron ka rin mga side tables with drawers. This side, maluwang pa po. And as you can see, you have a very pretty couch or a chair with a lamp. Ang cute ng lamp natin. Pwede itong your vanity area or pwede rin itong study area, reading area. Sobrang luwang pa dyan. Mapapansin mo yung TV. Maluwang pa yung space dito. Yung pagitan nila. Of course, that's included. And you also have your balcony. May canopy ka rin dito. And then, meron kang light doon sa taas. Ang ganda nito doon sa intro natin. Kung napansin niyo tong part na to, ang ganda-gandang tignan sa labas. So, pwede mong alisin yan kung ayaw mo to. Okay, so meron pa dito. But it's nice to have plants para mas maganda siyang tignan. Pero kung gusto mo siya, it can be your corner. So, papakita lang natin sa mga videos yan. Pero yes, kung hindi ka naman mapagtambay sa balcony, pwedeng plants na lang yung ilalagay mo. From there, makikita nyo na ang ating walk-in closet. So, dediretso na ako. I love this walk-in closet. Why? Shelves. Cabinets. Full body mirror. Ayan. So, itong space na to, lahat maximize for your storage. Hindi lang dyan, this side too. Meron ka pa dito. Bukas mo, iilaw na yan. There. And here you have this can be your vanity area. Pero this is also your CCTV area. So, maglalagay sila ng monitor here. I'm not sure if they're gonna mount it here or nakapatong, but still, meron ka pa rin enough space for your stuff. For your bags, shoes. And this is your master bathroom. Your master bathroom, his and hers, alam nyo na kung sino sa right at kung sino sa left. Under mount sink, kung mapapansin nyo yung faucet natin, sobrang slick, sobrang lit ng pagkakagawa. And meron na siyang indication ng hot and cold because yes, centralized water heating system. Floor to ceiling tiles. May mga drawers tayo dyan. Socket, both side. So, at spacious pa siya. Ang ganda ng texture. Alam mo yung texture niya, hindi siya smooth. Matte finish siya. No, pero hindi siya basta-basta nagagasgas. This is your enclosed shower area. It's not sliding, so may hinges siya. You open it. Yan. Shower. Mataas din siya. Pero hindi siya suffocating. Square type, may niche tayo dito. Stainless steel shower set. And sa tapat niya, nandito yung iyong toilet. There is your toilet. Ang lawang din yan. So, pwede kayo magsabay. Kung gusto meron nagligo, meron gumagamit ng toilet, pwede. Okay. That's it. Ang ganda. Balik na tayo sa baba para sa ating recap. For our recap, this is a fully furnished, elegant home near Clark with pool and located in a secured subdivision na 15-minute drive lang to Clark International Airport and other major business establishment. This is a secured subdivision and yes, yun nga, malapit siya sa Clark talaga, 15-minute drive to Clark, an hour drive to Subic, and malapit din po siya dun sa mga nakakita nyo sa TikTok na mga sikat na mga restaurants here in Koreatown and sa may Friendship area here in Angeles City. It has a 218 square meters floor area sitting on 156 square meters lot area. And what I love about it, yung architectural design niya, hindi siya massive. I mean, hindi siya yung malaking-malaki. Pero hindi siya masikip. I don't know if I make sense, pero alam mo yung hindi siya mahirap linisan, hindi siya mahirap i-maintain. And then yung space niya, like for example, yung living area natin, yung pagitan niya to your dining area, hindi talaga pinilit yung measurement ng mga partition ng ating home or ng ating property. I love the automated gate. Lalo na kung halimbawa you're driving, you have your kids with you, bubuksan mo lang yon and then isasara mo and then protected pa yung iyong vehicles. Also yung slope, kasi nga marami nagre-request na parang, yung mga sedan, tumatama dun sa sumasayad dun sa mga ibang slope ng ating mga parking. But this one, perfect din siya for sedan, vans, so all kinds of vehicle and two-car, carport po siya. I love din yung smart lock, of course. You have your fingerprint dito sa loob, even yung sa labas mo, your entrance gate. You have a smart lock, so fingerprint, password, card, pwede rin doon. Gustong-gusto ko yung pagpasok mo, yung feels dun sa may garden, pocket garden, and then the plant box na tinutumbok ng pagpasok mo, which is actually yung sa ilalim ng iyong landing. That one too, very pleasing sa eye. It's something new here, lalo na dito sa Pampanga, yung wala masyadong ganong design na landing natin. But don't worry about that because that is safe. That is safe. Yung nilagay na glass doon is katulad ng mga nakikita ninyo sa mga ibang bansa na makapal na glass. So you can really be at peace na safe po yung ating landing. The color. I love the color kasi hindi siya mahirap ternohan. Very minimalist. And then yung colors natin, like if you want to add more colors, magpa-pop up talaga. At mas magiging, mas maha-highlight yung mga colors na ilalagay mo just in case you want to add colors. I love the decking. Gustong-gusto ko yung pool na may decking. I don't know kung it's a simple thing pero ang laki kasi ng impact nung, like for example, nag-swimming kayo, yung dadaanan mo hindi siya basa. So it's safe for your kids. It's safe for everyone kasi hindi kayo madudulas. And also yung mga rooms natin, spacious, and also they also have their ensuite toilet and bath. So lahat ng rooms natin sa taas, meron po silang sariling room. Your guest room meron din. You have your powder room, and you also have your maid's room, and you have your shower area din doon sa labas. And also, I love the griller. Ang cute-cute lang tignan kasi parang ready na. This property is move-in ready. Mapapansin nyo, may mga konti lang like mga lights. Yun yung lamp natin doon. Yun lang yung mga kailangan pang ayusin. But this property is move-in ready in case that you're interested. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We're Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Message nyo lang po kami sa Facebook, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. That is our Facebook page. Instagram account, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. Follow us on TikTok, BP Pampanga. And for sure, before nyo pa nakita ito dito sa YouTube, nakita nyo na ito sa Facebook, TikTok, because we're posting reels before pa po ma-launch ang ating full video. You can also book your tripping sa akin, and Alalo on Instagram, and Alalo on TikTok. At of course, I shared din naman yung mga reels ng mga properties natin before pa ito ma-post. This is already open for viewing and also move-in ready na. Kaya if you're interested, wag na po kayo mag-hesitate to contact us. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aming YouTube channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties Pampanga, where your house speaks.